Hey guys, it's Max Super Dude here, and this is Max Super Kick, Max Super Flex, and Max Super Kid here. And today we're gonna have a Nerf gun fight. And so Max Super Kid and Max Super Flex are going to be the judges, and Max Super Kick and me are going to be do a Nerf gun fight. So this is gonna be the awesomest thing ever! Like, it's just gonna be so cool. So yeah.
Wow! Oh! Close one!
Oh.
Wow! Wow! That's a good one! Max Super Kick is winning! Is winning! Who will win? Max Super Dude or Max Super Kick? Wow! Max Super Dude is wanting to kill him! Woo! Wow! Max Super Kick just shot Max Super Dude! Wow! Wow! Oh! Oh! Max Super Dude just got Max Super Kick! Right in the armpit! Wow! That was a good one! Woo! Wow! Max Super Kick is running away from Max Super Dude! Just who will win? I don't know. Max Super Kick or Max Super Dude? Charging! Max Super Dude is charging to shoot Max Super Kick it. Wow! Wow! That must have hurt right in the chest. Wow! 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 Just wow!
We should show them the battle.
Yeah. Well, that was unexpected. Minutes later.